Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're looking at a pretty specialized piece of hardware. It's the kind of thing that quietly powers the future of live professional broadcasts.
Yeah, it's one of those little boxes that does all the heavy lifting behind the scenes.
Okay.
We're talking about the PureLink VIP-STREAM-200.
That's the one. It's a 1080p H.264 encoder. So our mission today is to figure out what this thing actually does, how it gets that best-in-class 1080p 60 streaming.
And why it stands out, especially in that AV-over-IP space.
Right, which, for anyone new to that, just means sending high-quality video and audio over a normal computer network, gets rid of that whole mess of dedicated cables. Okay, let's unpack this. What is this piece of gear actually doing?
Fundamentally, it's all about transformation. It takes a clean, high-definition source, like, say, a live camera feed,
Okay.
and it converts it. It turns it into a high-quality digital stream that's ready for the internet. Simple to use, and really robust 1080p at 60 frames a second.
So when we talk about performance, the specs really matter. The sources all point to its use of the H.264 codec. So why is having hardware that's dedicated to H.264 any better than just, running powerful software like OBS on a good PC?
That is the core difference, right there. While H.264 is common, a hardware encoder like this offloads the entire place. Well, it puts the whole compression engine on a dedicated chip.
So it's not competing for resources with an operating system.
Exactly. That guarantees incredibly low bandwidth AV-over-IP functionality. You get perfect frame sync, guaranteed packet delivery. A PC can choke, it can slow down.
Yeah.
This hardware just delivers a clean, low latency stream, period.
So it basically takes all the major headaches away from the person running the system. And beyond that stability, I see some features here that are clearly for professionals, the loop out and the audio insert.
Oh, absolutely. Those are non-negotiable professional touches. The loop out gives you what we call confidence monitoring.
Meaning you can see what you're sending.
You can see the raw, uncompressed video right there on location before it even hits the compression engine. You can catch any errors before they go out to the world.
That is critical for a live event. And the audio insert.
That means you're not stuck with the audio from the camera. You can bring in a separate professionally mixed audio feed directly into the stream. Gives you precise control.
Okay, here's where it gets really interesting. Most encoders, they handle one stream to one destination. But this device, it multiplies that.
That's its killer feature. It's a massive differentiator in the market. This encoder can provide multiple output formats, so users can stream to 4 different platforms.
4 at the same time.
Simultaneously. You can hit Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Vimeo all at the exact same moment.
Wow. So you turn a single video source into this comprehensive multi-channel broadcast strategy instantly.
And that flexibility, it extends all the way to the receiver side, too. You're not locked into some proprietary decoder.
Okay, so if I'm running, say, a global training seminar, what can people on the other end actually use to watch the stream?
We're talking really broad compatibility. You can use standard stuff like VLC player or OBS to decode it.
Just VLC, that's on every computer.
Yep. Or you can use specialized hardware. Some of the newer LG displays, for instance, have a built-in streaming input. The key is that any H.264 compliant software can pick it up.
And it sounds like the setup isn't a nightmare, which is a relief.
No, it's streamlined. There's a built-in web page for a one-time configuration. And once it's running, you don't need a computer. You can see all the diagnostics you need right on the front panel's LED display.
And it's priced pretty competitively, around $550, and the sources even mention a discount code 5% off. Plus, it comes with a 3-year warranty, and it's TAA compliant.
And that TA compliance is important. It means the product is cleared for use in government, federal, and other high-security contracts.
So what does this all mean?
It means the PureLink VIP-STREAM-200 is more than just hardware. It's a powerful, low-bandwidth bridge. It takes one high-quality 1080p 60 source and instantly solves that huge problem of fragmented distribution.
Connecting it to multiple global audiences all at once.
And that leads to the final thought here. Consider the massive difference between simply having a great video source and the ability to instantly weaponize that source across a fragmented digital landscape. This hardware, with features like that loop out and the simultaneous multi-platform encoding, it quietly solves the complex problem of broadcasting. It lets one stream become 4 separate revenue or communication channels instantly. That's the real shift in power this little box offers you.